Hello, everyone. In this video, I will share with you how to generate rasterized DEM or DSM. Our software provides two methods for you. The first method is to generate DEM/DSM under the auxiliary tool in PCA Viewer. In the pop-up dialog box, there are several parameters that need to be set. The first parameter is to specify the location of the DEM point cloud data to be processed. Files in loss format. Of course, this point cloud data needs to be classified. It can be a separately exported ground point loss file, or it can be the result data after classification processing. This sample data has been processed through the one-click classification of the PCA toolbox. The second is the output path. You can use the default settings and can also change the output save path. The third is the type of data generated. You can choose DEM or DSM if the data contains more than just ground points. There are other categories of point clouds. Then, here we can choose the category used to generate DEM. Ground points and model keypoints are checked by default. If we want to generate DSM, then check all the layers of other categories. Here we take generating DEM as an example, so just check the option by default. The last one is spatial resolution. This needs to be set according to your own project requirements. For example, here we need to generate a DEM of 0.5 meters. Click OK. An IMG format raster data is generated. The second method is to generate DEM or DSM in our toolbox software. It should be noted that our toolbox is in freshman mode by default. We need to set it to professional mode. In professional mode, there will be such an additional option: point cloud classification and information extraction. There will be a generated DEM or DSM inside. Click on this tool. In the pop-up dialog box, select the point cloud data for which you want to generate DEM. First, we need to choose which category to generate the DEM from. Of course, we still choose to generate DEM from the category of ground points. Second, select the type of result to be generated. Here we select DEM. Then, select the format of the data results you want to generate. Compared with PCA Viewer, there is one more optional format. It's TIFF format. You can also choose the IMG format here, but here we choose the TIFF format. Finally, the spatial resolution. It also needs to be set according to your project needs. Change to 0.5 meters. Click OK. Waiting for generating DEM. It needs to be emphasized here. When the DEM raster data generated by our software is loaded into other GIS software, the coordinate system of this DEM needs to be specified. After the generation is completed, let's take a look. This IMG format file was generated by PCA Viewer. At the same time, let's also take a look at this TIFF format file. This is generated by PCA Toolbox. You can choose any method to produce DEM or DSM according to your usage habits. You can contact us by email at jonas_zinc@gmapp.com or WeChat at +86 138883712338. Alternatively, you can obtain a trial license by filling out the relevant information on the website https://www.thjymap.com/pca. Thank you for watching and see you next time.